They're here. Woo woo. Betsy's super excited. I got my skates. Woo-hoo. Also, she wants in here so she can tear open the box. Boo-boo. That's not your bark box, Boo-boo. Betsy. I'm using tweezers to open the box. Even though there's scissors right there. Ooh. It's heavy. Cute. So cute. It comes with a little tag. You can put your information in there. All right, so I finally got it opened. Hi, Betsy. It comes with this really nice bag. Okay, got my dog socks on. And here goes nothing. Doesn't count that I'm on the carpet. Yay! So I got a 9.5 because my shoe size is 9.5 and I have really wide feet, and I think that that's going to be fine. I put some insoles in. You can message me or comment if you want to know what they're called and where I got them. They were about $20. And I think my toe is probably like here. But like I said, I have really wide feet. So that's kind of the reason why I wanted to get suede, is because they stretch really easily. You don't have to break them in. But I think if they were any smaller, I might have an issue with my feet being like too cramped in there. So anyways, wish me luck. I'm gonna loosen up the wheels and probably loosen up the trucks a little bit. I'm not sure if that's gonna do me any good, but if you guys have any questions about them, just let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer them. Okay, bye.